right, hello friends, happy Thanksgiving. I am here walking my doggie Chloe. The sun is just in very pretty lighting right now, but anyway, so I don't cook for Thanksgiving. My husband's family does that. They love Thanksgiving. They're from Louisiana, so they do the whole the Cajun style food for Thanksgiving. Like everything has some kind of crawfish in it and a lot of spices, the turkeys even from Popeyes. So yeah, it's very, very good. So I let them do everything, which means that we don't have anywhere to be until 3 p.m., which means I've got the entire day to screw around, AKA work on the front porch, the patio area. Look how cute she is. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'm super excited for it. I think it's gonna look so good. I have been collecting jumbo Christmas ornaments for this exact reason, and it's finally gonna come to life. The vision's gonna be there. Okay, so one thing that I've learned from TikTok is that in order to hang up your garland outside, you've got to use chicken wire. So here we go. I'm hanging it up all the way at the top right there, not at the actual door, because I'm gonna hang the ornaments on there also. So if I hang it on the door, it'll just be too much, right? I think so. I can always move it, it doesn't matter. So yeah, we're gonna try hanging up our chicken wire. Okay, so now for the fun part, we are going to spray paint the ornaments. Look, finding jumbo large ornaments is actually kind of hard. I had to go to a bunch of different stores, wasted a lot of money. But I've got a couple of different kinds to use, hopefully to add like some variation. I've also have 2 different colors of spray paint. So some of the large ornaments that I got are red, some are not. And so we've got to spray paint those. And my only plan on spray painting, cause like, I don't know if you can tell, but I can't really take those off. But anyway, I tried it, okay? So my plan is to hang them up from the chicken wire and spray paint them. That's my only plan, and we'll see how it works. And I've got like 20, like we should probably go count them actually. Okay, so this is my pile. Let's see what all we have to paint. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That can stay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No idea what those are. Okay, 17 ornaments to paint. Okay, so now I'm gonna let these dry for about 1 hour, and I think I'm just gonna do 1 coat. I think 1 coat's gonna be fine, even though you can still see a little bit of green over there, but I don't think I care right now. Okay, so now that we have everything painted, it's time to hang up the garland. So the garland is gonna go across the top, and then we're gonna have some coming down on the side also. But right now we're just gonna do the top because we're gonna see if this little trick that I learned on TikTok works. So you're gonna take 2 separate things of garland and you're gonna make them in a zigzag pattern and then like reverse it for the other garland. And that's how you make it look super, super thick. So, okay, so this is what it looks like. And to attach it, I'm literally just taking these pieces and looping them through the chicken wire and looping them back through. And I'm just doing that a couple of times so that it lays semi-flat. Okay, so this is what it looks like pre-fluffed. That one's my dear thread. I think these are gonna be too small, but we'll try them anyway. Okay, so my original plan for this whole thing was to have the garland up top and then also have it coming down off the side as well. But now I'm looking at it, I think that that might be just way too much. So I'm trying to figure out now what to do with all the other ornaments, because there's a lot of them. And here's my plan. Okay, so what if we just hang them off to the side? At first I was thinking we just hang one on each side. Now I'm thinking like at least 3 and just hang them at like a different height. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Now, the original plan for the store was to make it almost like Ralph's, and where they just like hang all of the ornaments from the ceiling. And then I realized that that wouldn't be like substantial enough. But now I'm thinking if we just start hanging them from different heights with like some rope or twine, a fishing line or something, I think it might look good.